as to whether we have received consular access request. Yes, we have received consular access request, and these will be addressed keeping in mind the legal requirements that are involved in this particular case.
India has received a request for consular access from Ukraine after 6 of its nationals, along with a US citizen, were arrested in connection with illegal activities along the India-Myanmar border. The Ministry of External Affairs says the request will be processed as per legal procedures, even as investigations continue into their alleged links with armed groups in Myanmar. Speaking on the matter, MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal confirmed that the individuals did not possess the required permits to enter restricted areas in Mizoram and are currently under investigation. He added that the government will handle the consular access request while adhering to all legal requirements.
Yes, we have received consular access request, and these will be addressed keeping in mind the legal requirements that are involved in this particular case. See, there are certain restricted areas which are restricted in India, and there are certain protected areas. So for those areas, you need a permission to travel there, and whether they were in possession of this particular permission or not, it is now in the court. It will be presented, and thereafter we'll come to know. But I would refer you to what the NIA has had to say. I haven't gone into the technical details of it, but I understand that they may be wanting of certain documents for traveling to that part of India.
The National Investigation Agency has produced 6 Ukrainian nationals and 1 US citizen in court for allegedly crossing into Myanmar via Mizoram and working with ethnic armed organizations in Chin State, Myanmar. Officials say the group lacked mandatory protected area permits required for travel in sensitive border regions. The accused include US national Matthew Aaron Van Dyke and 6 Ukrainian nationals, some of whom were detained at airports in Delhi, Lucknow, and Kolkata earlier this month. Investigators are now examining their digital footprints and possible links to a larger network. Sources indicate that the US national had been under observation for several months and is suspected of involvement in training armed groups in weapons handling and drone warfare. Meanwhile, the Embassy of Ukraine has expressed concern over the arrests, rejecting any suggestion of state involvement and calling for transparency and cooperation. The case has drawn international attention, given the volatile situation in Myanmar's Chin State, where several ethnic armed groups remain active along India's border.